So in your announcement, what you can also do is you can attach out Google Drive links. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here in announcement, and then over here, you can see that add Google Drive file is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then it opens up my Google Drive and the file within them, as you can see right here. So I can go around and let's say, for example, select out this particular letter, this document right here, and I can click on add and it's added in. You can go around over here and remove out the attachment if you don't want it there right here. Now let me just go around over here and insert out file right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on this and click on add. I can also go around over here and upload out contents to my drive right here. And then what happens is that it'll be added in as an attachment. So I'm just going to go around over here and let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and upload out book 1 and it's added in as a Google Drive link, as you can see. I can go around and add as many files as you want right here. So I can go around onto my drive and select out any file like this, or go into stored items that I may have right here, or shared with me section right here. So you can go around and select it and add it out right here. So I can say something like, please refer to these files for reference, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here and say, please refer to these files as reference. And if I were to go around and post it out, then what happens is that you can see that these files will be posted out in Google Classroom. So if you want to share out notes or slides or any materials over here that you have in Google Drive with your students in classroom, then this is how you do it. This is how you attach out Google Drive link with your announcements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.